Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Magical Chronicles. I'm your host Ruhi, a part of Magical's marketing team. We thrive on innovation and we believe in building something new every day. Today we are going to talk with our intern Akanshi Gupta. She has been working on an exciting chatbot project and she is here to share her experience with us. So, Akanshi, welcome. How are you?
Thank you, Ruhi. I am fine and really happy to be here and share what I have been working on.
We are excited to hear about your project, Akanshi. So, let's start with the basics. Can you tell us about the chatbot you've been working on and how it works?
Yeah, of course, Ruhi. I love working on the chatbots, and I am so excited to do at Magical. And the chatbots I am creating used to help the customers actually. Uh, it's answer their questions and show them how to use the services and help with tasks. And the goal is to make the thing easier and faster for user without needing someone else. So it's easy, simple, quick, and really useful for them us.
Okay, so that's really useful, Akanshi. Now, what technologies did you use to build the chatbots?
Yeah, sure, Rui. I use few different tools for this project. Like for the backend purpose, I use NestJS, which is framework for building the server-side applications, and the bot also use DynamoDB. It's a database to store the data and manage the data. And I use SQL to handle the information we keep in a table form, like na. And the board is hosted using cloud services, so it's always available and handling many user at one time.
Okay, so that's a whole lot of technical information for me to process. And I know you're great at solving problems, Akanshi. So, can you tell me how logical thinking has helped you in building the bots?
Yeah, Ruhi, logical thinking has been a crucial part in this project because building a bot requires a step-by-step approach for user interaction. Like that's I had break down a problem into smaller parts and solve them one at a time. For example, if a user asks a question, the bot must understand it and find the right answer and response clearly. And the logical thinking helped me to create a flowchart to these steps and debug the issue by pinpointing when where thinking were going wrong and fixing them efficiently.
Okay, that's interesting. So, it's amazing how logical thinking helps in building the bots. But I know you didn't work on this alone. So, what kind of support did you get from your mentors at Magical?
Yeah, my mentors are very fantastic here because whenever I stuck into a problem, they are always ready to help me. For example, when I had trouble with making the boards handle multiple requests at once time, one of my mentor walked me through work how to fix it. They are also give me the feedback of my code, how to write the code in a clean and better way.
Okay, it's great to hear that you had a great support at Magical. Now tell me, how do data sets help in bot development?
Yeah, data set are very important in this project because they help to train the bot to understand user queries and provide accurate responses. Like good data sets improve the bot's performance and make more reliable and handling various questions.
Okay, so that's great. It's amazing that how you are combining so many skills to develop this bot. So before we finish this session, what advice would you like to give to the interns or anyone who is starting this bot development project?
Yeah, you should never be afraid to ask for help. Like, no one expects you handle all the answer right away. So it's okay to ask the questions. Also, keep practicing and improving your problem solving skills, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning.
That's a great advice, Akanshi. Thank you so much for joining us here and sharing your experience with the bot development project. It's been wonderful hearing about your work and how much you're growing as a software engineer.
Thank you for having me, Ruhi. I had great time talking about my journey.
Uh, thank you,
Thank
and
you.
thank you to everyone who is listening to today's episode of Magical Chronicles. Stay curious, keep learning, and stay magical. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy coding.